At Momentum, we've been thinking a lot about how we can improve the impact of our projects on the environment. So a couple of years ago, we set up the Sustainability Working Group to create a space in which we can think collaboratively across our different disciplines in this area. And I think this is quite important given the significant role that transport plays in the carbon emissions of a city.
From a highways design perspective, it's important to adopt a comprehensive approach from the start if you want to achieve sustainability in the transport infrastructure projects. This includes integrating sustainable practices into the design and considering environmental, social, and the economic impacts throughout. For example, to address environmental sustainability impacts, we would investigate the use of sustainable materials for various highways elements to reduce the overall carbon emissions. For social sustainability impacts, we would undertake equality assessments and the healthy street evaluations to ensure that our designs contribute positively to the well-being of the all community members.
So from a planning perspective, we've developed a framework to think about how we can integrate low carbon principles for larger venues such as stadiums and arenas, which can be quite challenging given their kind of scale and typical locations as well. It's been really, really interesting thinking through the different stages of development. So, for example, what can be done at the design stage to reduce single car occupancy trips, whilst on the other hand, also thinking through what operational changes might be implemented. So this might be things like using cargo bikes for food deliveries or providing showers and lockers for cyclists. And, these are things that can be implemented for existing sites going forward.
Internationally, we collaborate with public sector clients to enhance active travel infrastructure. Our modeling team provides bespoke analysis by looking at how people currently use public space and how that can be improved in the future. This, coupled with the expertise of our engineers in road safety and accessibility, allows us to provide our clients valuable information to support the development of cycle lanes, comfortable pedestrian pathways, and public transport solutions. Recently, for the city of Sarnia in Canada, we developed an active travel network which addressed the mobility needs of all users, such as commuters, people that needed to run errands, school students, and people that use cycling and walking as leisure. Making active travel more accessible for everyone is crucial to reducing car trips and linked carbon emissions. Our goal is to promote a healthier environment and a greener future for urban centres.
We are continuously developing ways to assess and refine our designs across all the REBA stages and to make sure that infrastructure not only meets the current needs, but also contributes to a sustainable future for all generations to come. Our priority is to work closely with our clients so that we can create sustainable and high quality public realms, towns, and cities. By doing that, we can enhance transport infrastructure and deliver even greater improvements to our communities.
We are always excited to see investment in active travel infrastructure because it creates partnerships and collaboration opportunities with the public sector. And ultimately, it helps us reduce greenhouse emissions one cycle lane at a time.